inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that
Where are
I
you
can
going,
know.
Nino?
Can you stay? And I
First time
will
niya yan. Pangalawang beses ka lang.
gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it.
Sinuot yung pants niya kasi
I would like to tell you my mystery.
malaki.
I would like to go with you to the street.
Kaya related.
Don't deny.
Andito na tayo. Yan. Oh, careful this jogging woman. This is, and then she ran very slow.
Strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong,
Yeah, we're going now.
but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try and to change
Church,
it.
guys. Daming tao.
I wanna be
Ay,
loved
yeah,
by
look.
you.
No, just finish the first mass. Now it's second mass. Wait. It's a lot of people. There's a lot. No, we're gonna wait for the parking because they are going out now. Some of the cars. Some of the cars. Nakatapos lang na ang first mass. So, ang hinihintay namin ngayon second mass. Ano pa lang yan?
Seeing eyes of mine, you see,
Ano pa lang
there are no
siya?
trees inside of me.
Ano pa lang, 9:15. Mag-umpisa yung second mass 9.
With
Mag-umpisa yung second mass mga
seeing all that I
9:30.
can learn. Can you stay? And I
So,
will
papalitan namin yung ibang parking dito.
in gardens of Babylon. Love,
Ilan tao?
love,
Ang daming tao.
love, I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it.
Yan yung suki namin to the parking.
I wanna be
Yung
strong,
kaibigan namin na taga-parking. Ayun, ang daming tao.
that will change it, change it.
Ang ganda ng church nila dito.
I would like to tell you my
Paano na ata nila na?
I would like to go with you to the street.
Basta ang daming pang tao.
Don't deny your love makes me feel.
Eu sei mais do serviço agora, não é?
Love, love,
Linaw kami.
I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong,
Yeah.
wrong.
Sebelum dia, sebelum dia.
Fix it.
Yeah, good road inside.
I wanna be strong, strong, strong.
Come.
We're doing
Come here.
wrong, 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 but I'll
Ayaw nang
try
pumasok.
to
Ang daming tao, guys.
change it.
Daming tao. Ayun yung church. Ang ganda ng church talaga. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng church. Ayan na sila, Dada. Ganda ng church.
Eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In these deserts, I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay? And I will grow.
Doon, banda yung spot namin.
Gardens of Babylon.
Tao.
Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love,
Here,
I
here,
wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my mystery. I would like to go with
nila. And then may isang babae sa harap namin na may ano siya, earrings, may ano siya, hikaw na parang candy. Nabilog ba, sabi niya. Kakain daw niya yung candy. He said, Mama, candy. Ano talaga siya, makulit. Candy daw. So ngayon, papunta na kami saan? Where we gonna go? Bilag kami ng mga gulay kasi si baby gusto niya yung pizza. So ang gagawin ko na lang, gagawa ko lang vegetable na pizza. I-freezer namin. Yeah. Ngayon, nandito kami ngayon sa grocery. Orange. Kumakain kami ng breakfast kasi maaga kami nagising. So, hindi ako nakaluto ng breakfast kasi maaga ang church. So, ngayon kumakain kami ngayon. So, ayan o, katabi namin dito pa yung mga sapatos. Hindi ako makabili kasi mahal. Wala na kasi yung buy one take one nila. Dito kami sa Steers. Medyo, ano pa, konti pa lang yung tao kaya maganda. Ayaw namin yung maraming tao na kasi sobrang nakakatakot. Sa simbahan kanina, bawal ang mag-shake hands. Hindi kami pinag-shake hands kasi dahil dun sa ano nga, sa coronavirus. Maganda naman siya. Okay naman. Successful naman siya. So, ayan si Dada. Umorder si Dada sa Steers. Ganyan ang gusto kong gawin na shop doon sa Pilipinas. Ganyan. Yung fast food. Gusto kong magbukas ng fast food. Tapos, may hot pot din. So, ganyan ang gagawin ko. Makain si Dada.